So the hip and low back are areas that often get tight. So this is a nice way to open up your low back in a dynamic fashion. So stretching across, you can slide it across to make it a little bit easier, and then you can drop into your glute stretch. Now these are just demonstrating. You can spend a lot longer in the stretches, so you can spend at least 10 seconds in a stretch, up to 30 on each, 3 sets. And just really focus on the areas that you feel that feel tighter, or you've been instructed to work on. Now this one's a nice way to open up your hips. It's called a Spider-Man, pushing one side to the other, feeling that stretch, digging your arm in and then rotating. Now if you find that difficult, you can pop your knee down the back so you're not stretching your hip flexor, but really work on opening up that mid back and low back in that position. Again, you repeat that on the opposite side, dig the elbow in, rotate up to the top, knee down or knee up, depending on what you want to stretch, at least 10-second holds, and then swapping over. Now a good way to open your back is called a cobra stretch, so hips down, arching your back, and feeling that stretch. And this one's called the scorpion, so you're just going to go side to side 6 times on each, and just let your body rotate and open up and stretch up towards that side. And this one uses momentum, so you roll back, push up and push forward, so you're going to get that stretch in your hamstrings and your adductors. Arms out straight, reach across and stretch towards the opposite hand. So your back can come up, try and get your foot towards your hand, just feel that nice stretch through both sides you go across.